In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place a limit order on Robinhood. Limit orders are a great way to give yourself more control over the price at which you buy or sell a stock or ETF. So if you're looking to make your trades a bit more precise, this tutorial is perfect for you. To start, you'll want to open the Robinhood app on your phone or visit the Robinhood website on your computer. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. It's important to make sure you're logging into the correct profile, especially if you manage multiple accounts or share devices. Next, use the search feature at the top of the screen to find the stock or ETF you're interested in trading. Just start typing the name or ticker symbol of your desired security and it should appear in the results. Tap or click on it to bring up its details page. Now, on the stock or ETFs page, look for the trade button. When you tap or click on trade, you'll typically see the options to either buy or sell depending on your current intentions. Select buy if you want to purchase shares or sell if you're looking to offload some that you already own. After picking your action, you'll need to choose your order type. To set a specific price limit, as we're learning today, select the limit order option. This tells Robinhood that you only want your trade to go through if your chosen price condition is met. Now it's time to set your price target. For a limit order, you get to decide the price at which you're willing to buy or sell. Enter the amount per share that you're aiming for, which should be above the current market price if you're selling, or below it if you're buying. Being strategic here helps ensure you don't pay more than you want or sell for less than you prefer. Once your price is set, simply choose the number of shares you want to buy or sell with this order. Double check this amount, as mistakes here can impact the order's outcome and your account balance. Next, you'll select the duration for your order. Robinhood generally gives you options such as day, meaning the order will expire if it's not filled by the end of the trading day, or good till cancelled, which keeps your order active until it's filled or you decide to cancel it yourself. The final step is to review all the details of your order, making sure your price, quantity, and duration are correct. Once you're confident that everything looks how you want it, go ahead and click Submit to officially place your limit order. That's all there is to it. Limit orders can help you stick to your trading goals and make sure you only buy or sell at prices you're comfortable with. Thanks for watching and happy trading.